العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dearest young scholars, we are going to have a language session number 15. During the last 14 sessions, we discussed module number 1. And 14th session was very, very important as we revised all the 12 formats in that session now. Let's start module number 2. Before we discuss module number 2, I would like to revise module 1 with an addition now. You know that module number 1, all 12 lessons, they begin with who. And we discussed that who stands for persons now. There's an addition now to that concept now. Should I share?
Yes, please.
When we say who, so who is person or its personification now.
Personification. Personification.
When we say personification, what do we mean by that? If I say Priyanka Chopra dances, Priyanka is person. If I say now that branches of a tree are dancing, no. Branches, what? Things, no. But I am talking about those words in a way that it seems that I am talking about some person, not things now. Mr. Faisal benefits me. Money benefits us a lot. No. I'm talking about money in a way that it looks like a person now. The concept of that person is clear. We added some new feature to that concept. Doctor treats the patient and hospitals treat the patients. Now this is I'm talking about just like a person. Now this hospital is over here. It's a personified. Things. I write. The marker writes. Now this marker writes. Marker over here is personified now. Activity, discussion develops what? Thinking. Discussion. Now the teacher develops thinking. The elders develop thinking now. And discussion develops now. The discussion over here personified now. Idea. An example of idea? Love. Hate. Hate creates troubles in the society.
Yes.
Criminals create trouble in the society. Violators create trouble in the society. And hate creates. So this hate is personified. The point is clear?
Yes.
Let's see. So module 1 begins with who. Who can be in the form of person or in the form of personification. And after that, there were 12 lessons. They were based on V1, V2, V3 or V4. And after V1, V2, V3 or V4, there was first feature what, second was whom, then it was where, then when, then how, then why. There are 13 features. But we have discussed first 6 of the 13. First 6 we have discussed so far. The next 7 later on, inshallah. This point is clear? And one more thing which we discussed about module 1 or during that session, it was that we always try to add how before all these 5 points. This point is clear? What is module 2? Module 2, it doesn't begin with who. All the 12 formats of module 1 begin with who. And all 12 formats You know that there are 12 formats in module number 2 as well.
Yes, sir.
So all 12 formats of module 2 begin with what, or they begin with whom. The difference is clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, I teach English. I teach English. Who teaches? I. So the sentence begins with who. English is taught. No, this sentence begins with what?
Yes.
What is taught? English is taught. What is clear?
Yes.
I encourage you. Who encourages? I. Whom? You. You are encouraged. Now this sentence begins with who or whom?
Home.
Whom. Excellent. Now that. Now you are encouraged. Who encourages? I. Point is clear or not? No. Sure?
Yes.
That module 2 begins with what or whom, and there are 12 formats. We are going to cover all of them today. Now that during our first session of essay writing, the very first session, no, we discussed all these points, these concepts, no, and we concluded to know during that session that whenever we make a sentence, so sentence, it always contains 2 points, 2 concepts, a link between the two. And this linking phrase, clear? What does it do? It now that connects this concept with this one now.
Yes, sir.
Module 1, this point was who, and then there was we. In the form of V1, 2, 3 or 4. And over here it was know that what, whom and so on.
Yes, sir.
Module 2, this concept is the same. But these are getting interchanged. Excellent. Now how? See, I teach what? English. What is taught? English is taught. English is taught. This part is clear? Now, over here, by whom? By me. To whom? To you. Point is clear or not? No. I teach English where? At Sela. No. English is taught where? At Sela. In the classroom. No. Module 1 begins with who. Module 2 begins with what or whom. This point is clear. Whenever we link 2 points, there is always we. And we can be in the form of no V1, V2, V3 and V4 as far as module 1 is concerned. In module 2 there is always V3 for all the 12 formats. Whenever we link these 2 points, so there is always V3.
Yes.
So this point is clear?
Yes.
How easy that is?
Yes.
So should we start?
Yes, please.
Yes.
What was the purpose of this discussion?
It was basically to differentiate module 2 from 1.
Okay.
And to get to the basic rules.
Excellent. Clear?
That's very simple.
And there was a good news at the end of the discussion
Yeah, there is only
that
only the 3.
V3 now
Yes, sir.
while writing the sentence based on the concept of module 2. Let's begin with. Yasir, how are you?
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Always say thank you. How are you?
Thank you.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Thank you. And us as well. And what's about you?
Yeah.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine and thank you. And
How are you doing?
How are you? Excellent. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. Asim, my dearest son, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you. And how are you doing?
Excellent. No, I'm fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So it's we to develop that now. I'm fine, thank you. And what's about you?
Yes, sir.
Different ways are there. We are trying to lay a foundation so that we can know that comprehend know module 2 properly. It's we to make our concepts clear. What is? And then there is V3. Your V3 please.
Reached.
Reached. Gentleman, Yasir, your V3?
Played.
Played, love you my son. Played. G.
My favorite perceived.
Perceived, excellent. Now perceived. How to attempt it? While attempting this part, we have 4 choices. We can talk about some place, we can talk about thing, activity or idea. Played. Cricket is played. It was game. Cricket is played. And during that, catches are dropped. Pakistani match, Pakistani fielders, catches are dropped, catches are taken, and the difficult catches are celebrated. Appreciated. Are shown again and again. Are shown repeatedly.
Sometimes dropped.
Excellent. Some even easy catches are dropped, and sometimes the difficult again. How is there before that? Sometimes the very difficult catches are taken. Points clear? What else is done during the game? The game of cricket. The coin is tossed. Please. After that, the decision is made. Regarding excellent. Now regarding the choice, whether to bat first or ball first. We will do all these things later on. Perceived. What is perceived? Knowledge is perceived. Ideas are perceived. Understanding is perceived. The point is clear?
Yes.
No. During that activity, the activity of that perceiving something, what is done? Please, things are observed. Clear?
Yes.
Phenomenon are observed how keenly later on. But first phenomenon are observed. Please, different nodes are linked. Logic is applied. And conclusions are made. Please.
Teacher teach.
And then the results are shared.
Teacher teach logically.
No, sir. No teacher teaches. No. That is the second part. To whom?
Yes, sir.
We will discuss. The teachers are consulted. Clear?
Yes, sir.
No, the scientists are interviewed. Literary figures are interviewed. Are consulted or met or accompanied. Later on, not now. First, make your concept clear. This point is clear.
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody know that V3. The V3 of your own choice. Please.
Myself.
G. Thought. Please. Plan. Love you, my son. We are moving forward.
Yes.
G.
Learn.
Learned. Gentleman, next one. Please, it's you to complete. Driven. Love you, my son. MashaAllah. Driven. Read. Okay. Written. Develop that. I myself make number of mistakes when I speak. I don't know that what's going on with me. There is something wrong with me for last few weeks now. That whenever I try to speak, there's something wrong. Pray for me. I get stuck. And it is happening. It has been going on for last few weeks. See. Written that was number 7. It's your turn, please. Accomplished. MashaAllah. Accomplished. Washed. Asim. Held. Love you, my son. The point is clear?
Yes.
Now I am going to ask the question. What is thought? What is thought?
What is thought?
Okay.
Idea or thought?
See, my question is wrong. My question is
Wrong.
it should have been now phrased in this way: what is thought about? You got the point?
Yes, sir.
What is looked wrong? What is looked at? What is waited wrong? What is waited for? What is listened wrong? What is listened to? The point is clear? So it's you to now think that the question should make sense. In English, there are only 42 formats of questions now. So it's we to learn all of them systematically. What is thought about, my son? Please.
Ideal thought.
Everybody should be attentive now. I am moving forward. To you mean in your opinion. To me, in my opinion. Or according to my opinion. The ideas are thought about now. Next point. What is planned?
Journey.
The journey is planned. The destination is planned. Please.
The way is planned.
What? The visits are planned. Excellent. Ji.
Meeting.
Assignment.
Meetings are planned now. MashaAllah. Number 3. What is learned?
Maybe English.
English is learned. The lessons are learned. Please.
CSS syllabus or
Excellent. Now, syllabi. Prescribed for competitive examination. Now. Which examination? Competitive. Okay. What is driven?
College.
Simple. The vehicles.
The vehicles.
It includes all.
Yes.
The vehicles are driven. Later on we will talk about now that even the animals are driven.
Yes, sir.
Driven by the shepherds, no?
People are different, sir.
Actually, even the people are driven. Love you, my son. Love you, my son. But today, as we're talking about module 2, the first of all, it's we to begin with that. What? And later on, we will discuss all these persons now under our heading whom. So, what is driven now?
Vehicle.
The vehicles, not vehicle, my son. The vehicles. Vehicles are driven. Ji, please. What is read?
His paper is read.
The newspaper is read.
the books are read.
The books are read.
Literature.
Literature, excellent. No, literature is read.
The
No.
Holy Quran is read.
The Holy Quran is read. No. What is written?
Editorial.
Excellent. No. Editorials are written. No. Columns, features, and articles are written. No. Over here, no. Meaningful sentences are written now. Paragraphs are written. Excellent. No. On the writing board, we will discuss later. No. Words are written now. Please. What is accomplished?
Assignment is accomplished.
The assignment is accomplished now. Please. Organization.
Yes, sir.
Love you, my son.
Milestones are.
Excellent. The milestones are accomplished. Excellent. The targets are accomplished now. What is watched?
Movies watched.
You are missing something very important. No hurry, my son. The movies are watched.
Yes, sir.
Movies. Now you can talk about that hobby fair. The English movies are watched.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Manchester movies are.
The fiction movies, the horror movies are watched. No. The meaningful movies are watched. No. Please.
Behavior.
Excellent. What? Love you, my son. No. Behavior is watched.
Attitude is
The
watched.
attitude is watched. Love you, my son. MashaAllah.
Language is watched.
The body, love you. The body language is watched now. Gestures are watched now. What is washed, Mr. Faisal? What is washed? For terrorism. For terrorism. What? First of all, brain is washed now.
Yes, sir.
But it's you to go for counter narrative. It's you to rewash those brains now.
Yes, sir.
It's we to make them realize life is very dear to Allah Almighty. Do justice now. We will discuss it now under our that as inshallah. I say later on. No. See, so what is held?
Sections are held.
The sessions are held. The meetings are held.
Meetings are held.
What?
Ceremonies.
The ceremonies, excellent. Ceremonies are held now.
Melas are held.
Excellent. No fairs. The fairs are held now.
Matches are held.
Excellent.
Convocation.
Points clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I am moving forward.
Okay.
See, what in V3, this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, the next question. What is done and for what? What is done and
Forward.
for what? Before I touch this one, see, examples are given for understanding.
Understand?
The books are read for knowledge. TV is watched,
For information.
proper order. TV is watched. TV is watched for education, information, and entertainment. The newspapers are read for education, information, and entertainment. The question now, before we touch these points, very simple. What is done and for what? During 24 hours, no, in our society, no, at your home, in your office, in your school, over here, in our class, what is done and for what? Please. Water is drunk. Water is drunk. For what? For energy. For energy. Please. The marker is held for writing.
Food is eaten for appetite.
Very good. Food is eaten not for appetite.
For not right.
For energy, my son, no? See, stick to the topic, no?
Okay.
That you can talk about here, no? To quench, no? Hunger over there. For what? Simple.
Alright, alright.
Food is eaten for energy. Water is not drunk for energy. TV is watched for education, information, and entertainment, no?
Prayers
Clear?
are offered for myself.
What?
Prayers are
Prayers are offered.
for myself.
No, that's not for whom. For what?
Final piece.
For peace of mind, for peace of heart, for success here and the hereafter,
Yes, sir.
For obedience.
for excellence, for obedience, no, for submission to God.
Yes, sir.
The Holy Quran is read. For what? For guidance.
Guidance.
Kitabun anzalnahu ilayka litukhrijan nasa min az-zulumati ilan-nur. How simple that. Zalikal kitabu la rayba fihi hudan lil muttaqin. The Quran is read for what? For guidance.
Guidance. Yes, sir.
Nothing else.
To obey Allah and His Prophet.
This is so simple, no? That it shows us the right path, no? The path of what? Humanity, love, peace, harmony, no killing, no murder. Even you are over there in the battlefield, so you are not allowed to kill the one, no, whom? The one who is the old one, the one who is a child, the one who is a woman.
Disabled.
Clear? You are not allowed, no, to burn the property.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We should be very choosy. The one who is attacking, we are asked not to spare that culprit, because that is creating the problems in the society. But the one who is not doing, whether he is the son of that culprit, whether he is the father of that culprit, no, we are not allowed now to harm that person, no, only on the basis of that relationship, not at all. How beautiful religion it is. My son asked,
Yes, sir.
see, what is accomplished and for what? Please.
I would say milestones are accomplished.
For what? For what? The milestones are accomplished. For what?
For growth.
For growth, right? For the growth of the organization.
For earning.
For increase in the salary. For the promotion to the next step now.
Encouragement.
Excellent. For what? No, for encouragement now. Points clear? For reward. For more money. For what? No, this it's you to test now. Love you, my son. Your favorite what?
Sir, plan.
Plan. No, sir. What is planned and for what?
For time management, for time saving.
Excellent. Love you, my son. Now, for time saving.
We can say destiny plan for ease.
For love you, my son. For ease.
Yeah.
If there's no planning, there's no ease, you will keep wandering, no? You will suffer a lot. Love you, my son. MashaAllah. Your word?
Sir, read.
Read, no read.
Read.
What is read and for what?
The Holy Quran is read
For guidance.
for guidance.
The Holy Quran is read for guidance. What else is read and for what?
The newspaper is read for learning.
For learning.
Yes, sir. For information. For
Number 1, education. Number 2, information. Number 3, entertainment. But our order is totally opposite.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Start.
It's we to educate by watching, by reading. Say, should I move forward?
Yes, yes, please. Put.
Any V3, please.
Any?
V3.
Okay.
No repetition.
Okay. Achieved.
Achieved, mashallah. Yasir, recited. Faisal, drunk. Next point. What is done and by whom? By whom? Please. What is achieved and by whom? Please.
Accomplishments are achieved
Okay. By
by the team.
by the team. Excellent. No, by the workers.
The Holy Quran is recited by us
By us. No, by us. By the Muslims.
and by the Muslims.
Clear? By the believers. By the believers of the Holy Quran. See, what is drunk and by whom? By whom, sir? This is 2.1, sir.
By the thirsty. By the thirsty ones.
By whom? By the thirsty people. By the thirsty one. Excellent, no? By the one who is thirsty. Excellent, no? V3.
Succeeded.
Succeeded. Gentlemen. Lost. Managed. What is done? No, your point is with whom? Eaten. Food is eaten with the family. Food is eaten with friends. Food is eaten, no, with the colleagues.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Please.
Adventures are succeeded with teammates.
Okay. Please. Duties performed with the colleagues. Clear? Games are played with the playmates. Please. English is learned with the batchmates. Next one, please.
For whom?
Say, for whom? What is done? What is written? What is played? What is watched? What is given? What is taken? What is borrowed? What is lent? No, clear. What is appreciated? Clear. What is discussed? Clear. And so on. No. And the second is no, for whom? For example, no, food is cooked for the family. Clear. Again, money is earned for myself. Money is earned for myself and the family. Points clear. Examples are given for you. Examples are given for the students, no? And the videos are uploaded for the viewers. Points clear? Please.
Time is managed for the company.
Excellent. That is not whom, my son. That is for what?
What is?
Company.
For employees.
For the employers.
Yes, sir.
Clear? For the investors.
Yes.
For the businessmen.
Got.
That's the proper word, no? See, please. Know from whom. Calls are received from
From relatives.
No. Money is received
Money is received
From
from
parents.
from the parents. No. The salary is received
owner.
from the owner, from the chief accountant. No. From the cashier, from the teller. Ideas are taken
From Mr. Rafi.
Teacher.
from Mr. Rafi, from the elders,
From elders.
no, from the friends, no, from everybody,
Yes.
from all human beings, no. Points clear? Say, I love you, my son. थोड़े जो उच्चे जाके को ना सर किडी सुनी गल करना. Ideas are taken, no, from the wise people. So you can add, no, how before that? Why not? From the wise people, from the intelligent people, from the creative people, from no, the literary people, from the learned people, no.
From the curious people.
From the curious, no, those who have curiosity, no.
Broad.
Broad, very good. From the broad-minded, no. See, what is done, what is sent, clear, what is shared, and whatever that is. So what is sent, and then there is to whom. For example,
Text messages are sent to beloved ones.
excellent. No, the text messages are sent to the beloved ones, no. To the beloved, to the friends, no, to the boyfriend or to the girlfriend, no, to the boss, to the colleagues, no, sometimes no, to the teacher. Sir, I'm not coming now. Calls are made. The calls are made
Relatives to friends.
to different people.
Different people.
Calls are received from different people. Ideas are taken from the wise people. Ideas are given,
To the ideas are given.
okay, to different people. To everybody, no?
To youngster.
To the
youngsters.
To the youngsters, excellent. Now, ideas are taken from the elders and ideas are given to the youngsters. Papa, you.
Yeah.
So this is now from home and to home. This point is clear.
Yes.
So it's you to practice now this one. For example, the vehicles are driven
By driver.
by the drivers. No, food is cooked by the chef. No, hospitals are run
By administration.
by the administrators, by the administrator. No, or so specifically no, by the MS, by the medical superintendent. No, superintendent. What? Superintendent. Oh, superintendent. Over here, no. No, the lecture is delivered by the lecturer. The lecture is attended by the student. No, nothing is done by Miss Rafi, and nothing is done by Miss Rafi's student. No, so you can't know. It's you to specify it. No, now injections are given by the nurses. Points clear, sir? Sixes are struck by the batsman. Wickets are taken by the bowlers. No, and the decisions in the ground, the decisions are given
By umpire.
by the umpires. No,
Yes.
points clear, and the batting is appreciated
By
By the
the
crowd.
by the crowd. No, by the audience. No, by the people. Sometimes even by the viewers. No,
By the fans.
by the fans. Mashallah. So it's you to develop that. Again, with whom, for whom, and from whom, and to whom. Now, I'm moving forward. You're tired.
No, not at all, sir.
What is done and where? This is now third point over here. Over here is a point number 7. What is done and where?
The movies watched in cinema.
Very good. Movies. The movies are watched in the cinemas.
Cinemas.
The books are read in the library. Clear?
are offered in the mosque.
Excellent. Now the prayers are offered in the mosque. Please.
Cement is manufactured at plant.
Excellent. Now the cement is manufactured in the plant. Excellent. G.
The games are done in the ground.
Games are played.
The games are played in the grounds. Cricket is played in the cricket ground. Hockey is played in the hockey ground. Clear? Football is played in the football ground. No, and table tennis is played
Yes, sir.
In the court.
in the court. Excellent. No.
So, Alois, what is the most important skill in table tennis?
And squash is played
Also in the court, sir.
in the court. Excellent. That is. Now it's you to develop vocabulary. No.
We have to talk about it.
So there are 4, no? Places, things, activities and ideas. So what is done and where? Food is cooked in the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Movies are watched in the cinemas. Even no, sometimes no, in the TV lounge at home.
Yes, sir.
No, bath is taken in the bathroom.
Medicine is prescribed.
Excellent. Medicine is prescribed in the hospitals, in the clinics. Clinics. And your favorite sentence now, the cement is manufactured now in the plants now. The next point, very, very important now, that what is done and when. Please. English is discussed from 7 to 8:15 p.m. now. And you can say the first half, no, from 7 to 7:30 English language is taught. From no, that 7:31 to 8:15 the essay is discussed now. That the video is edited now from 8:30 to no, that 12:30. What is done and when?
Breakfast is eaten in the morning.
Love you, my son. No, breakfast is eaten in the morning. Lunch is had. Lunch is had. Is eaten. You got a point? Lunch is had. No, in the afternoon. Dinner. No, nar. Dinner is had. Dinner is eaten. No. When? At night. Points clear?
Yes, sir.
So it's you to expand now this when. There are so many, no? Traffic rules are followed during driving.
Yes, sir.
Concentration is maintained during the class now. When? During the class now.
Yes, sir.
Points clear?
Yes, sir.
Problems are shared during the class. Problems are shared no during the meetings. Ideas are shared no during what? The meeting now. During the family meeting now. Then there was no from and to. TVs watched from 8 to 9. Clear? Then you can say movies are watched from no 10 to 12. Nothing is done no from no 12 to 6, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. No, something is done. What is that? No, the sleep is enjoyed. The sound sleep is enjoyed from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. And after that, no, the bed is left. No ablution is performed. The house is left. The mosque is arrived at. The Fajr prayer is offered. Points clear or not? When? It's you to talk about. No.
Justice is provided during court session.
Excellent. No. And then when someone is. Medicine is prescribed when someone is ill.
Yeah.
No. Again, the lessons are explained when someone
Is confused.
is confused. Love you, my son. No. Movies are watched when someone is free or when someone is bored. The rest is taken when someone is exhausted, tired. No. The books are consulted when someone is please. When someone is.
No.
When someone is. The books are consulted when someone is. It's you to think.
Clear the concept.
Curious.
Curious, yes.
Curious when someone is curious. No. Points clear?
Yes.
When someone is determined not to appear no in some other exams. When someone is determined no to deliver a lecture. When someone is determined no to do something special in the future. No. Points clear? Next point. No. What is done and how? Please, what is done and how?
Lecture is delivered honestly.
Excellent. Now the lecture is delivered how? Honestly.
Lecture is listened, attended.
The lecture is attended how? Attentively. With concentration. According to the norm of the environment. According to the etiquette of the classroom. What is done and how? Food is eaten according to the sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallam. Now, food is eaten no slowly. Food is eaten no by chewing it properly.
Mannerly.
Very good. No, this point. No, how? Food is eaten mannerly. Love you, my son. No?
Duties performed professionally.
Excellent. The duty is performed professionally. The last point is why. What is done and why? For that we have no few choices. The first one is to NV1. Next is no for what. Third one is because. Fourth one is so that no I can or someone can. Points clear or not? See, what is done and why?
Money is earned to meet the daily needs.
Love you, my son. Money is earned. No, money is earned. No, why? To meet daily needs. No, excellent. No, to support the family. Clear? Again, to run no the domestic affairs successfully. Excellent. No, books are read to get knowledge. Food is no eaten to get energy. Points clear? The lecture is attended no to understand, to comprehend no what? English properly.
Movies are watched on internet.
Excellent. The movies are watched no to educate, inform and entertain.
Ourselves. We can say ourselves.
I am skipping these 2 points. What is done and why? The fourth point.
Revenue is collected
Okay.
around the country.
Very good. No, this point better.
Okay.
Very good. No, the revenue is generated, is collected. No, so that
Yes, sir. So that
over here now you can use the personified form. No,
Okay.
so that the country can prosper. So that the country can no progress. What is clear now? No, please.
Taxes are paid so that a country,
The taxes are paid so that
a country can develop.
enough revenue can be generated.
okay. I love you, my son. No. over here in the classrooms, what is done and why? See, the examples are given so that you can understand the lesson. Points clear?
Yes.
Now, the marker is held. The marker is held so that now I can write now on the whiteboard now. Points clear?
Yes.
Now these slides are prepared so that I can use them during the lecture. The videos are uploaded so that you can watch them later on, so that the viewers can get benefit from them. Points clear?
Yes.
The next point, I'm going to just conclude my session now with this concept: to whom. And the rest shall be done tomorrow. Unfortunately, we couldn't complete all the 12 formats, but the basic concept is clear now. That's as far as of module 2 is concerned now. Clear? And all 12 lessons, inshallah, we shall discuss tomorrow now. Now it's you to begin with whom. Whom, then is, and after that there is V3. Your V3, please.
Red.
Red. Your favorite word today. Mr. A is red. It makes sense now. Who is red? Ashfaq Ahmad is red. Wasif Ali Wasif is red. William Shakespeare is red. No, John Keats is red.
Yes.
Now again Francis Bacon is red. You got the point of now, no?
Yes. Yes.
Who is red at your home, in your school, in our society? Please.
Safi Rahman Mubarak Puri.
Is red. And who reads? You read. Safiur Rahman Mubarak Puri is red. This author is red. No. Qudratullah Shahab is red. No. Apa Bano Qudsiya is red. No. Wasif Ali Wasif is red. Ashfaq Ahmad is red. No. Who? Javed Chaudhary is red. And who reads? You read. I read. The Urdu readers read them. Shakespeare is red.
Yes.
Who reads?
He reads that.
The English people, those who know English now. Point is clear?
Yes.
What's the word? Watched.
What?
Please. Who is watched? Shah Rukh Khan is watched. Amir Khan is watched. Arshan is watched. Different actors are watched. Actresses are watched. No. Politicians are watched. No. No, points clear or not? No. The players are watched. No. Advised. Please. The children are advised. The Muslims are advised by whom? Over here. No. Later on. No. The students are advised.
Yes, sir.
The juniors are advised. The sons are advised. The daughters are advised. Sometimes the husbands are advised. Sometimes the wives are advised. Everybody is advised by someone. Everybody is advised now. Consulted. Please.
Doctors are consulted.
You ready now?
Yes.
The doctors are consulted. For what?
Party.
For examination.
Very good. The doctors are consulted for treatment, for examination, for the prescription of medicine. Clear? For the recovery of health. Points clear?
Yes.
Please. The coaches are consulted
For fitness.
for fitness, for physical fitness and mental fitness now. The teachers are consulted for learning, for knowledge, for information, for the clarity of thoughts,
For education.
for education now. Points clear? The scholars are consulted for concepts, for ideas, for future, for success. No, for the bright future. Points clear not? For successful life. Not clear?
For deepening our vision.
Excellent. No? What's that? Ignored.
Fools are not.
Very good. No? Fools are ignored. The visionless people are ignored.
Loser are.
The loser are ignored. Very good. At different platform, they are ignored. They are rejected. No. Arrogant. Excellent. No. The arrogant are ignored.
Extremists are ignored.
The extremists are ignored. No. Consult.
Counsel, yes.
G. The patients are consult. Clear? And these sick-minded people. The sick-minded people are consult, are advised, are treated. Clear? Or what else is done with them? Please, are educated, are brought out from darkness.
Yes, exactly.
Clear? Followed. Followed. Leader. The leaders are followed. The parents are followed. Allah Almighty is followed. Prophet Muhammad Sallam is followed. Teachers are followed. Now, the point is clear. Obeyed or disobeyed. Two choices. Obeyed or disobeyed. Please. Allah Almighty is obeyed.
Yes, sir.
Satan is disobeyed.
Discipline. Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. So Allah Almighty is worshipped. Prophet Muhammad Sallam is followed. Parents are respected. Satan is rejected. Clear? No, the wise people are followed or idealized. The wise people are idealized. Clear? And no actors, actresses, no different performers are watched. Clear? And for what? Allah Almighty is worshipped. For what? For reward. For success. Clear? Here and the hereafter. No. Prophet Muhammad Sallam is followed. For what? For success. Here and the hereafter. No. Again, the teacher is consulted. For what? For proper understanding. No. Points clear? And so on. Again, by whom? The teacher is consulted by the students. No. The doctor is consulted by the patient. Excellent. No. Now the coach is consulted
By sportsman.
by the sportsman. Love you, my son. No. The point is clear or not? No. For whom? Tutors are hired for the children, for the students. Now, please. The doctors are appointed for the patients. Now.
I just got Imran Khan is compared with Kajal.
Excellent. Love you, my son. Love you, my son. This is a point. Imran Khan is compared with whom? With Jinnah. Excellent.
No, it's true. Yes. So sportsmen are compared with veterans.
Let's move forward. No.
Okay.
Doctors are consulted
In the hospital.
in the hospitals, in the clinics. No. Again, when the doctors are consulted? When? During sickness. No. When someone is ill. No. Clear? In how? The teacher is consulted. How? Honestly. Think, please. Attentively. No. Again, Allah Almighty is worshipped. How? Submissively. How? Submissively. Please, Prophet Muhammad Sallam is followed wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly. From the core of the heart. No. And next is now that why? Please, Allah Almighty is worshipped. Why? To get reward, to please Him, to succeed here and the hereafter. No. Please, no actors are watched. Why? For enjoyment. Clear? For entertainment. No. Again, the players are cheered, applauded, for encouragement. Excellent. No. So it's you to add all these 6 features with these points. Write to whom first of all, and then add is, and then V3. So it's you to practice. I'm sure the moment you start practicing, you will be having a number of ideas.
Yes.
What was our planning to cover all the 12 formats?
Yes.
But unfortunately we failed due to certain reasons. And what has been the conclusion of this, you can say, session, that our concept of module 2 is clear right now. Clear? And all those 12 lessons shall be discussed in the next session. Very simple, very easy now. Any question regarding today's session? Thank you very much. See you tomorrow, inshallah.